So, welcome you all. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the presentation on the Recycling and Recovery Expo 2023. This is going to be organized during the 29 to 30 March 2023 in Bangkok, Thailand at Bytech. And this is hosted by Technobiz. I welcome you all on behalf of Technobiz for this presentation on the Recycling and Recovery Expo. This presentation, it's all about what kind of activities are there at the Recycling and Recovery Expo, and how all the professionals and business involved with recycling and recovery can participate in this event. Let me quickly brief to you about Technobiz. Probably some of you may know very little about it, or some of you have a clear information about what we are doing. Technobiz is based in Bangkok, Thailand, established in 2005. Almost, this is our 18th year, 17 years ago, and it is recognized as International Resource Center for Industries and Technologies. You can always check more information about Technobiz at technobiz.org. This is our official website for all of for the Technobiz. What kind of services, what kind of industry we focus? We are very much specialized in providing services. We define our service in two segments. One is a professional education, and other is the business services. When it comes to the professional education, we offer online training, master classes, workshops, executive diploma, skill assessment test, and also we have various publications in the digital library. That's what we do for the professional education. When it comes to the business services, we host exhibitions and conferences, virtual events, webinars. We host road shows and networking events, and also technical and business consulting services. And we do factory and process audit. And finally, we also offer the marketing and the branding services for the industries and technologies. Let's look at what kind of industries and technologies we focus. We don't serve all the technologies and all industries, but we kind of specialize in certain areas only. Let's look at the industry. We're talking about rubber, latex, and tire industries, and plastics and composites, polyurethane and foams, adhesives and coatings, energy and environment, and also the membranes and filtration, recycling and recovery, nanotechnology, smart manufacturing, and various chemical processes. This is our focus area. Again, we are very much specialized in this area. We offer professional education as well as the business services. Business services are focusing on improving the business or exploring the new markets for the companies, and also, auditing and troubleshooting of various problems in the industry. You can always check our website technobiz.org for more information on it. This presentation you can download on our, there is a handout box. Please download it. So if you wanted to have copy of this presentation, if you're watching in the record session later on, you can always send an email to me. And this is me. My name is Peram Prasad Rao. I work for the Technobiz since established. I'm the CEO for this company, and I do invite you all to be part of the journey of the Technobiz. Technobiz is a specialist in various areas and with very specialized services. Please do feel free to write to me either by email or contact my WhatsApp or call to me, and you can call me Peram. Okay, let's look into the main focus of today's presentation is all about the recycling and recovery. And this is a two-day event in Bangkok at Bytech. Bytech is, Bangkok International Trade and Exhibition Center. This exhibition is all about the recycling and recovery technologies and practices. It's all about it. It's all about recycling and recovery. I think most of you know, nowadays recycling has huge importance. They don't take it as an end of the pipe treatment. It's a more about integrated process in the business and manufacturing. So it is a very much integral part of the everybody's business now, recycling and recovery. This event is supported by Solid Waste Management Association of Thailand. This is a national body for the solid waste management, and they have the members from academic, from the government sector, private sector, and involved in the policy and also projects related to the waste management in Thailand. If you're from Thailand or anybody from overseas, if you like to be a member of a SWAT, you can always check more information about the swat.or.th. This is the website where you can find all the information regarding this SWAT. And Recycling and Recovery Expo is supported by SWAT, and they are the strategic partner for this event. Let's look at the highlights. What are the main highlights about recycling and recovery? It's not just an exhibition. You had to experience the whole environment. Of course, there is an exhibition. There is a technical conference. We have a young researcher symposium. There are training programs, research poster zone, technology poster zone, and also the classified board. And also we have a networking event as well. This is the main components of the Recycling and Recovery Expo. The venue of this event is BITEC, as I mentioned to you. Hall 104 is at BITEC is the venue for this event. BITEC is well connected to in the city in terms of mass transportation. You can go by train. It's also very close to the expressways and near to the airport, and also fully with good infrastructure. In this venue, a really good venue to host an event, and for all the participants, it was very convenient to participate and join at the BITEC. Let me give you some time schedule about it. If you're an exhibitor, you have a 2 days time to set up your booth, but 2 days for the first is a custom booth. If you design your own booth, you need more time, so we have 2 days time. But if you are using a shell scheme, which means already prefabricated booth that given by the organizer, you have only 1 day to set up. For the visitors, the show days are 29th, first day 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and the second day is at 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. For the exhibitors, they can enter into the exhibition hall 1 hour before the schedule on the expo days. And on the last day, on the 30th, the exhibitor has to dismantle their booths or pack their belongings after 5 p.m. only. Okay, so because the show is up to 5 p.m. on the second day. So again, the expo days are 29 to 30, and the booth setup is 2 days before the show. And if you're a custom booth, you have 2 days time. If you're a shell scheme booth exhibitor, you have 1 day time. Feel free to post any questions you have, if you're joining the live session today, or you're doing you are joining in a record session. You can always reach out to me by email or posting under the video. What is profile of the exhibitor? Every manufacturer or supplier related to the recycling and recovery technologies, they can exhibit. Whether you are a machinery supplier, whether you are a contractor, whether engineering company, or you're a chemical supplier, or the process developer for the recycling and recovery, you can join this exhibition as an exhibitor to present your products and the technologies. When you look at the segments of the exhibitor profile: waste to energy, biogas technology, waste heat recovery, waste collection equipment, and you mean handling equipments or machinery, waste recycling and reuse, organic waste processing, composting technologies, plastics recycling, rubber and tire recycling, and recovery as well, and construction waste management, RDFs, electronics waste recycling, paper and glass recycling, metal recycling and recovery, wood recycling, chemical recycling, textile recycling, mechanical recycling, and also the food waste management. If we were talking about recycling, also talking about recovery as well. Some, you can recover and also recycle. So both aspects of all segments, all kind of resources we cover in this event. This is a purely recycling and recovery event with the technologies in terms of machinery, chemical processes, and also the engineering companies related to the recycling and recovery. Okay, what kind of options you have, in this exhibition to exhibit? We have a very a broad, affordable. Even you have your company, small company, we have an option, sir. We offer a standard shell scheme. It means 9 square meter booth. We have a budget booth as well, 4 square meter, and we have premium shell scheme, which is basically a little bit better version of the standard, where you can utilize to promote your company in a better way. We also have a technology poster zone, and if you wanted to have a display the machinery, or you want to have standalone booth, there is an option for the 36 square meter raw space. It's an empty space you will be given. So these are the options of the on the tariffs involved. You can see on the tariffs, which range from the 300 to 10,000 US dollars. It depends on your budget. You can choose to participate in this event. Of course, there are some additional taxes VAT will apply, and also when you make a payment, whether it's a bank transfer or credit card fees will apply accordingly. This is how the shell scheme would look like, standard shell scheme. You see the company, we have a company name on there's company name board called fascia board, and the booth is furnished with one information counter with 2 chairs. Information counter is a lockable, so you can keep things. And also we have a round table with the 2 chairs, which is used for your meetings with your customers. You can see on the backside walls, you have, whether you can put a poster, hang your banners, whatever the way you want it. And also we provide you the 5 amp power socket, where you can connect to your computers or in the TV to display your videos. With also carpet furnished, and you have a lighting, 2 fluorescent lights are there, and if anything you need extra, you need to order for it. But these are the basic structure given under the standard shell scheme booth. So you can just come in and put a posters and participate in the show. We have a premium shell scheme, which is basically branding the company in a better way, and also people can see your booth from the distance. Okay, so this is one type of design we have. Again, you can see on the picture there is information counter, there is a round table, meeting table with chairs, but what more significant is that the logo, company logo, and it's pretty visible from at least 30-40 meters distance. People will see that at 5 meter. The booth height is a 5 meter. We have other type of the shell scheme, premium shell scheme. This is another way of showcasing your company. There is a showcase. You have the corner information counter. Premium booths are basically corner booths. Okay, and because that only you can display properly. So we are offering premium booths for the corner booths, but if you like to have premium booth design for the inline booths also, you can utilize that as well. Okay, so these are the premium shell scheme. This is how the budget shell scheme booth looks like. This is basically 2 meter by 2 meter booth. You have an information counter, it's a lockable, and 2 chairs. You have panels on the back, and also a fascia board with the company name, and also the light, and also power supply, 5 amp power supply also there. It's if your budget is limited and you have an issues about financial issues, but you like to participate, this is another way to go to participate in this show. So as it's a budget shell scheme, please do understand that there is open between the next booth, only the partition is just 1 meter height booth on a partition only. Okay, so this is how the budget shell scheme booth looks like. So this is how the technology poster zone, this is open for the exhibitors or non-exhibitors. Not everybody, there will be a couple of thousand people come to the show to visit, but not everybody can visit your booth. So sometimes you want to have also want to display your company in other places also. We have a poster zone where you can put posters about your technology and the company. This additional cost is $300 per poster. You can also participate in this one. If you're non-exhibitor, you can still participate. If you're an exhibitor, there is a special cost, is 150% discount for the exhibitors. It's basically exhibitor $150 per poster. The poster size is 95 centimeter width by 150 centimeters height. We print a poster for you. The cost include all the poster. We take care of the handling all the poster by ourselves. So that you don't need to worry about where to print about it. You just need to send us a final file to print, and make sure that you send a good quality the file so that we can print properly. So this is a technology poster zone. Again, okay, some of the companies would like to exhibit with the machines. Okay, and if you like to exhibit your machinery, you're welcome, because that's one of the way to attract your audience and the participant to see your machine in live. The loading capacity is 1,500 kilo or 1.5 ton per square meter. So you can accept a big machines also at the exhibition to display. And you must take the help of the official contractor in moving the machinery into the exhibition hall, because they have the responsibility to take care of on the floor. So it's a better that you take the help of it is a compulsory inside exhibition hall. You must take the help of the official contractor to handle your heavy machinery. Okay, and also you need to submit the machinery specification to verify about safety issues, and and also the dimensions, so that we approve it before you bring it to the venue. So these are the machinery display guidelines. Okay. Floor plan, yes, with floor plan is available, but the floor plan is available for the people who wanted to exhibit. So you can send a request by email to me, and we will able to send the current floor plan, and also which booths are available, and the space is available for the more than 100 booths, and we allocate the booth based on first come first serve. Okay, so this is how the floor plan is divided, how the booths will be allocated. So okay, let's talk about how to book your booth. Suppose you're ready to book a booth. It's very easy and not so complicated. You just go to this link, https://expo.technobiz.org booth form/3. This is for the recycling and recovery. So you can just go there, and you can select the booth that you want, and you have two payments options, are the bank transfer or credit card, and you receive automatic invoice for the booth cost. It's all automatic, and if you book early, there's also discounted booth cost. So the early you book the booth, you have the discount. That's all available on the website that you can follow based on when you book your booth. Okay, and this is how the booth booking form looks like. Now, if you look at it, you have an option: shell scheme booth, premium booth, budget booth, poster zone, and you can see the early bird. So if you book before 23rd December, there's a special rate. After that, you will go in the normal rate. So I do encourage you, if you're interested to join this recycling and recovery, please do reserve your booth at the earliest, so that you gain benefit out of the in terms of the cost and for you the budget. Yeah. We have a conference, which is an integral part of any of the Technobiz exhibitions, 2-day conference. In this event, we are focusing on 3 main areas, okay? And biogas technology, waste to energy, plastics waste management, and also e-waste management. But also other segments also we cover. I do encourage every exhibitor to give a presentation in this conference. You can take a 10 to 15 minutes presentation and introduce about the latest technologies from your company, or if you have some case studies, you can make a presentation. This is a good opportunity to promote your technology, and at the same time you can speak to the large audience at one time in the conference area. And not only at the booth, you're able to speak to 1 or 2 people at one time, but in the conference you're able to speak to 20, 30 or 40, depends on the time and the topic is presented. Your largest section of the audience you can reach out to. Not only that, if you make a presentation in the conference, you also advantage people realize that what kind of new technology is coming from your company on the new developments, and there you have additional promotion for your business, the speaker, and also the branding. So conference is all about educating the customers, also about the promoting brand your company with the new technology. So huge advantage, and you are able to speak to the large number of audience at one time. So, and you can encourage them to visit your booth and after finishing your presentation as well. So that is an objective of the conference program, educating customers with the visitors with the new developments, at the same time inviting the participants to visit to your booth and learn more about it. This is how the conference room looks like. It's open, okay, and so people can sit, people can stand, and they can listen to the presentations. And this is a graphics of the present, this conference room. People can stand across all the 3 sides, and then or sit. This is inside exhibition hall, so there's you don't need to walk far away from all the audience also stay inside exhibition hall. So this is a very good opportunity to make a presentation, so learn about the new developments. Okay, all exhibitors are welcome. I insist on, if you're exhibiting, please do make a presentation. Okay, suppose you have a customer, your supplier from overseas, you can pre-record your presentation, you can send, and we can also screen the recorded version as well. So if you're unable to make a live presentation because maybe your expert is in overseas, unable to travel this time, so you can ask them to record his presentation. So there are many ways that you can utilize it. And the length of the presentation for a speaker, we may give 15 minutes or we may give up to 30 minutes. Depends on the topic and how much information is there. And all the audience, whoever coming to the exhibition, Recycling and Recovery Expo, they can participate for free. There is no cost to enter into the conference room. So because it is inside exhibition hall. Okay, one of the unique things about the Technobiz events is that we support young researchers, because as you know, research is very important for any industry, whether it's environment or whether it's a polymer, every segment, research is important. Particularly young researchers, because we wanted to give an opportunity to promote their work, because they've been working for years, so on their project. So we provide a young researchers platform where they can promote their work. So in this Young Researcher Symposium, as a part of the Recycling and Recovery Expo, we have 2 sections, one on the focus on the waste management, and the second one is on the circular economy. So first day we organized this one on this 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and the second day, 30th March, over 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And the masters, PhD students, postdoctoral students, or even the young people working in the company also can make a presentation. Age group, you're talking about 20 to 30 years old, because they have, they're young, they have vision. Okay, so we want to promote their work. And the presentation length is usually around 10 minutes, so that we give an opportunity to more people to present it. And the language must be in English. So because as the visitors, not just only from Thailand, from ASEAN region or from the beyond ASEAN. So the presentation will be in English only. Okay? We have a social event. There is a recycling night. on the first day of the event. Okay, this is by invitation only. So we're getting the exhibitors, each exhibitor with a minimum 9 square meter booth. You get 2 tickets to join this recycling event. Networking event is very important. The social events are very important. Where you have a chance to meet new people. Okay, not only your business but also other exhibitors, and also maybe the customers that you never deal with in the past. So great opportunity. Every exhibitor should participate. And if somebody want to be part of this social event, if they are not exhibitor, they have to buy the ticket. And so for 1,500 baht, or in dollars is a 50 US dollars with we charge. Okay, one of the unique things about Technobiz events are the classified board. Okay, you see, you get thousands of people come to the event. So we want any company looking for people, they have jobs in their company, whether it's in Thailand or overseas, you can post your jobs on the classified board. So we will print it and we post them on so that visitors can, people can see it. And if some companies are, if they wanted to sell any machinery, use any machinery, they have machinery, they want to get rid of it. So you can also post them on this classified board. And also, if somebody is looking for a jobs, they can also put their CV on this classified board. Or if you're looking for the partners, this is basically for the exhibitors only. Suppose you are selling some technology, you are looking for a partner in Southeast Asia, you can also post this information on this board. And also, if there are investment opportunities that in your company, or you are looking for investment opportunities, you can also post that. This is a special board that we display inside exhibition hall. You can send the information in advance so that we can post them, in time for the people to see it. So this is called classified board. Okay. What are the participant guidelines? Okay, exhibition entries are free. You must pre-register. Conference is free to join. We have a training programs, you charge. Okay, but on-site, if you register on-site as a visitor, there is a nominal registration fee there. Okay, so because we want everybody to pre-register in advance. Our recycling night is by invitation, and we open the visitor registration 2 months before the schedule, so that you already have everything set. They have a clarity on what kind of activities are there, what do you want to participate. So visitor registration will be open 2 months before the show. These are the basic participant guidelines. Okay, we have a special privileges being exhibitor at the Recycling and Recovery Expo. First of all, we have a package called the Recycling and Recovery Connect program, which is a standard package valid for 1 year. That is a complementary to the all the exhibitors, but you must have a minimum space of 9 square meter. And we also provided 2 dinner tickets. You can have an opportunity to speak in the conference program. There is a company page, company profile page in the Expo website. It's basically not only just profiles text, but you can put a poster, pictures, you can put videos, and also contact forms so that people can reach out to you as well. Okay, and we have a literature distribution stand inside exhibition hall where you can display your brochures. Also, people can pick it up your brochures. And if you want to invite customers, special customers to your booth, we can offer you VIP badges to them as well. So these are the exhibitor. Being an exhibitor, you have the advantage of additional advantage being an exhibitor. Visitors, you may ask, what kind of visitors come to this event? What is our target? All manufacturing sectors in Thailand and in ASEAN region and beyond. We're inviting them to participate. Every manufacturing industry, recycling is, as I mentioned, is an integral part. Utility organizations, all the power sector, the waste management companies, environmental companies, government organizations, so they also invited to join. Government affiliated, energy, environment, industry departments, all of them are invited to join. And also engineering companies, engineering EPC or consulting companies, designers of systems, or technology suppliers, they can also visit it for this show. Of course, researchers and experts, because they are one of the key component of the recycling and recovery industry. So they also, so these are the visitor profile. Of course, you know, talking about middle management, you're talking engineers, technical people, non-technical people, supervisor to CEO, every level of people. You know, we want to educate not just only the main, you know, top management only, but also the younger people, mid-level management. So we're inviting all the professionals involved in this, you know, related to the recycling and recovery to participate in this one. What are our expectations? You know, you may expect what you expect. You know, so this is important when you want to be an exhibitor or you want to visit. There will be at least 80 plus exhibiting companies. We're targeting around 3,000 professional participants who genuinely interested in, you know, this event. And also we will have a 50 plus conference presentation, and most importantly that all the exhibitors and participants have an opportunity to explore short-term and long-term cooperation, collaborations between each other. That are our expectations. It is a knowledge hub and also a marketplace for the recycling and recovery companies involved. I would like to give you some information on the you know, Recycling and Recovery Connect. This is a package we offer. If you're an exhibitor at this event, Recycling and Recovery Expo, you have this package. Okay, the Recycling and Recovery. It's a program, a platform for the companies involved with the recycling and recovery technology. It's a digital marketing platform, and to participate in this program, you have to have following things. First of all, you must have at least corporate or product videos on your company. The second is you must have the company presentation in PowerPoint, and also product brochure in PDF, and also you must have you know, the advertisement in A4 size in the JPEG, you know, format. And also we will be interviewing the business interview with your top management or any recommended person related to your business. So these are the things, you know, requirements to be part of this Recycling and Recovery Connect. This is a digital marketing platform for recycling and recovery technologies. We offer a package is called a standard package. Okay, and this is a complimentary. There's no charge. Okay, this package costs $2,000, but we offer for every exhibitor who has a booth a minimum space of 9 square meter booth. Okay, and this validity is 1 year. It's not just during the show only. It is all year. You have an opportunity to promote your business through the recycling and recovery platform before the event, during the event, after the event. So this is a 1 year long period that you promote your business, not only for the people who come to the show, but also for the people who are not able to come, but you may connect globally or locally. Okay, so this package, standard package, is a complimentary. And let me tell you what is this standard package means. Okay, it is to repeat, this cost is $2,000. If we charge, if you're not part of the exhibition, if you're not an exhibitor, we charge $2,000. We promote your company video or product video 4 times in a year. It means once in quarterly. Okay, every 3 months we promote your company or product. You have to send us the file. Okay, but if you don't have a video, you need to work with some video video making company to provide you, or if you want to take our help, we can assist you as well. And the second is that we want you to make a complete presentation of the company. In terms of the history of your company, what kind of products and services, what kind of technology and services, what are your customers, or what kind of profile of your customers. So you can have a detailed presentation. And along with that one, we will do the interview with your management, with a managing director, a president, or whoever is you nominate to represent in the company. That is a part of this package. We promote that, this whole interview and also the presentation on the company. And every month we share your company advertisement once a month, and also the product brochure also share among the community. And also we host a technical presentation 2 times in a year. You can select dates, okay, and select a date. Okay, this time I want to make a presentation. I want to invite target audience to this topic. So we host for you, we invite for you. Of course, we join hands together to promote you that technical presentation. And usually that these two technical presentation, a gap of at least first presentation and second presentation, at least a gap of 4 or 5 months. So you can select a date and a time as for mutual convenience, because we also hosting that one. We have to see our schedules and your convenience. So you get this package as part of an exhibitor. So you see, you are not just exhibiting. Actually, you have an experience with us for 1 year long, and this way that you may reach more target clients and branding your company, marketing your company. So huge benefit being an exhibitor of the Recycling and Recovery Expo in March 2023. Okay, that's about the exhibition, Recycling and Recovery Expo. I'm hoping that you get a better idea now what we're offering, how this will be executed, okay, and in terms of hosting this event during the 29 to 30 March. Okay, you can always check more information about this event at the expo.technobiz.org. Technobiz organizes many exhibitions. At this Recycling and Recovery Expo, there is also Membrane and Filtration Expo. There is also PU Tech Polyurethane Focus Expo is also there. So there will be a little bit crossover industry in segment also there, but the Recycling and Recovery is pretty much focused and covering all aspects of the recycling and recovery technologies and practices. If you need more information, you have questions, you can feel free to write to me, email me, or if, you may like to ask right now, you can also ask right now. You can type your questions, and I will answer them now itself. Okay? And that's about the this presentation now, and I'm happy to welcome you all to participate in Recycling and Recovery Expo in next year during the 29 to 30 March 2023 in Bangkok at Bytech. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, thank you very much. I'm hoping that it give you all the information that you are looking for, and this session in the record format also available. I will share to you all, and you can you may share this record session to your management or your suppliers who will be interested to learn about it on the Recycling and Recovery Expo. Thank you all for joining this session today. Bye-bye for now. I see you at the Expo next year, 29 to 30 March 2023 in Bangkok at Bytech. Bye-bye for now.